Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to How to All channel. Now we are going to see how to create a Facebook account. The process of creating new Facebook account is changed. So let's see how is the new method. So first find Facebook app. Okay, there is Facebook app. Now open Facebook app. Okay, in the below we can see create new Facebook account. Click on create new Facebook account. Now click on next. Click on none of the above. Okay, put your first name. I'm going to type my channel's name. Okay, now click on next. Now select your birth date. Now click on next. What's your gender? Okay, select your gender. Now click on next. If you want to create new account with email address, then click on sign up with email address. And if you want to create new account with your mobile number, then you can put your mobile number, but I'm going to sign up with email address, so click on sign up with email address. Okay, there you can see they already asking my default Gmail. So if you also have Gmail default Gmail on your mobile, then you will also see it. But if you don't have any email in your mobile, then you don't see it. But still I'm going to click on use a different email. Okay, now if you don't have any Gmail address there, then you have to type this one. But you can see I already have my default Gmail address here, so I'm not going to type it. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, now put a password for login your Facebook account. Okay, now click on next. Finish signing up. People who use our service may have uploaded your contact information to Facebook. Whatever it is, click on sign up. Creating your account. Okay, they are saying you typed how to all. We require everyone to use the name they use in everyday life, what their friends call them on Facebook. Did you mean how to all? Okay, select your name how to all. Now click on next. Okay, let's see. Signing. Okay, mute your audio. Okay, add a profile picture so friends can find you. For now I'm going to skip this one. Okay, no, not now. Skip. Next. Okay, we click on allow. Okay, we are successfully created our Facebook account. Thank you for watching my full videos. For more videos, subscribe my channel and also like this video. Thank you.